Hello guys, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I do DIYs, hauls, reviews and more. So if you love to craft and do budget friendly home decor, you should definitely subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's wine and craft. So we'll be drinking our wine and crafting at the same time. Also, this is in collab with Fanny by Creationsbyfavi and Josys from Josys Craft. If you don't know about them, you should definitely go check them out and subscribe to their channel. I will leave all their information down in the description box. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So now let's craft. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I do have a few things around here: paint, some signs, floral and letters, my glue gun, and the blow dryer in case I want to paint. I'm gonna blow dry things. I am going to repurpose this spring sign. I got this back in spring last year. I made a DIY and I did took it apart to use this. I am also using this floral. I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use this to cut them. This is already brown. All I did was paint it brown using truffle from the brand Waverly. I am going to, excuse me, before I put this together, I'm going to arrange it the way I want it to go. I hope you can see him, but I'm gonna glue him like that. And my bad, there's one more missing. Where should I put this? Let it dry a little bit. All these strings. I'm going to add a bow, and for that I will be using this Dollar Tree ribbon, or burlap ribbon I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut a little piece off. I learned how to do my bows by Crafts by Kaylin. The bow. I'm going to glue it right there. Something simple and nice. So that's my first DIY. Let's put this away. Let's start with our second DIY. My second DIY, I want to paint something here. This is a spring sign I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to remove the string. Y'all can't see it, but I have my paint here, and since my first DIY is brown, like y'all guys know, I like having or doing my things as set as I go. I will be using the apple barrel acrylic paint in burnt umber. I'm going to grab a brush. And that is it. I'm gonna paint the sides too. I have this little, I'm gonna put my water right here. Use my blow dryer to dry this. Next. Okay, no, I don't want to use this one. I'm changing my mind. This is from Dollar Tree. It had I'll tell you what it was. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to look for it and then I'm gonna put it air, what the name is. This is actually tape, masking tape, I think. I made this a while back. I am going to distress it or make it more galvanized with my elephant color. And we are going to use my favorite brush. I'm just going to tap, tap, tap. Looks better. It's less shiny. Now I'm going to add some steel. I don't know if y'all guys have seen, I made my own little paint, organizer to where I put my paints, and I made it out of foam, and that is full of paint, and it's still up there, so it is pretty sturdy if you ask me. See how it looks so much better? I usually listen to music or watch Grey's Anatomy when I'm crafting, but since today I am not doing that, I'm just going to talk and talk. Now, so I can dry faster, I'm gonna use my handy dandy blow dryer. By the way, what I did for this, the only thing I did is I removed the lid or the top for this, and I put tape around it, and that's it. Before I continue, I'm going to put my paint away before I spill it. Where's the lid? Where did the lid go? It's under the paintbrush. Oh my gosh. So sorry. I am so sorry. I am done using this. I'm just going to put it in the water. So now I'm going to glue this here. No, before I glue it, I'm going to add some juice string around it. I always burn myself. I do not know why. Set it back in. I'm going to make a bow out of this. And there's your little bow. Look how cute this looks. Anybody else going crazy at home? Now I'm gonna glue this to that. And that is it. This is Hello, and it is from Dollar Tree and from the Crafter Square brand. I'm going to remove this and remove this. I need wine. We're gonna paint again. We are going to use white, and I will be painting this white. What kind of music do y'all listen to? Today I'm filming this. It's Saturday, April 4th, and I actually was supposed to go to a concert today to Ozuna. He's a Spanish singer in the Amway Center in Orlando, but it got postponed to August, I believe. I'm not sure. So let's just dance Let's pretend we are at the concert right now. Done. We're going to put this to the side right here. This on the water. So now, I'm gonna take a sip of my wine. I'm going to add this to this corner right here. So the next thing I will be doing is just adding these in here. It's hot in here. I've watched Grey's Anatomy like 20 times already. I am going to cut these. So just going to add them randomly like this. Look how cute this looks. I can't find the piece that goes with that I removed earlier, so I'm just gonna put one. And hello. Not bad. Not bad for not knowing what to craft. I just thought about this. So far I have this one and this one. I think I'm gonna do another one. Should I? Yeah. Let's make another one. These let me show you. Okay, these are the 5 gallons and these are the gallons and these are the quarts. These are all paint stir sticks. So I'm gonna be using the 1 gallon ones. You can use your scissors for these. You just have to be really careful. They will break. And that's it. I'm going to cut 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cut 6 of them. You see, I'm telling you, you have to be careful or they're gonna end up like this. Still gonna use it. And I'm gonna continue cutting. I'll be back. And we're back. I have finished cutting all the paint sticks I'm gonna use, and I cut 6. As you can see, I didn't cut some of these good. Oops. But that's okay because I'm gonna use the other ones, these. And I hope you can see this, but I'm going to put them together like a little, what should we call it? Palette. Yeah, I'm gonna make a palette. These are easy to cut. Oops. Okay, so now that I cut them, I cut 2 of the other ones and I'm going to glue them down. Let's continue crafting. I am going to make sure they're all straight before I glue them, and then I am going to put hot glue. Like my friend Fanny would say, just like so. By the way, y'all should definitely go check her out and go check out Josy's video channels, I mean. And this is how my palette looks. I'm going to stain it using the antique wax. By the way, I love this thing. I'm gonna use paper. Should have cut 2. And with 1. Now 2. So we are going to use you to stain this. I'm just using a regular brush. And guys, look how beautiful this turned out. So I'm gonna put it on my thing right here. I am going to close this up, put it away. Let me know down in the description box what you would have done with this. I am crafting right now, and and I don't know what to do. Cheers. So I had to pause because I had to go look for this. I couldn't find this and this. I got this back in December from Dollar Tree, and these little hearts, I have a whole bunch of them because I had the Valentine signs, and it had 3 of these in each little sign, and I have a few left. I decided to add that at the top and then this at the bottom, and I'm using my glue. And how beautiful. I'm going to add some drawstring to the back so I can hang it. Absolutely loved how this turned out. I am going to show you the other ones that I put over here, and my first one was this. I absolutely love how this turned out too, and this one too. What I like about this is that you don't have to just put any greenery, you can put any other things in here, but both of these two, you can use them all year round. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Cheers. Fanny home decor. I definitely subscribe. So if you love to craft and do crap. So cheers. Same time. So anyway, so this is for purpose entertainment only. Please, no bad comments or you will delete it. Just kidding. It's hot. Just one. And I'm going to cut everything for I'm going to, excuse me, I have a bow somewhere. That, and I'm going to glue, my bad, I'm going to glue blessings, like I'm empty.
El lunes, vamos a bailarlo, vamos a danzarlo.
Put that there to keep it cold. So most of you guys, okay. So some people ask me if it's okay. Paint on me. Continue. I'm going to put my paint away before I spill it. Oh, where's the lid? Where did the lid go? I lost the lid. It is under the paper. Oh my gosh. So sorry. I need wine. It's hot in here. Okay. Cheers. Sorry. Ay, Dios mío. ¿Qué hago?